Hey BPM REIA, it's Tom Zeeb coming at you from Sarasota, Florida. Really excited to be coming over to your side of the state for a full day workshop on Saturday, March 8th. Oh man, I'm super duper excited because we're gonna be doing my Find the Deal, Make the Deal, Get Paid workshop. That way you can learn how to find more deals, make more deals, and get paid more. Look, I've been training people for a little bit over 20 years now, and I've noticed certain patterns. There's certain key things that the people that are successful separate themselves from those who aren't successful or aren't as successful. And it really boils down to three solid things. The first one is you gotta get really good at marketing. You gotta take marketing super seriously and learn how to dig in, find deals, and constantly be marketing for everything that you do. The second key skill is negotiation. Learning how to negotiate correctly, how to get people to say yes to you will lead to you getting more deals and more profits out of each and every deal because you learn to negotiate to a better price. So that's what I want to teach you on this Saturday as well. The third thing then is following systems. Having some systems, some protocols, some things you do on a routine basis again and again so that you run your business like a business so that you know how to get paid and get paid consistently. It's these three things that I'm going to be focusing in on with you all day in person Saturday, March 8th at BPM REIA. I look forward to seeing you there. Oh, by the way, don't wait. I'm not joking. These events usually always sell out. We have limited space in the hotel rooms that we're in, so please don't hesitate. Another kind of key success thing is to take advantage now when you see a great deal. Don't wait till the last minute and lose out. Go ahead and get your ticket today, and I look forward to seeing you on Saturday, March 8th.